Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi 1 drill kit. You guys pair it up with that battery deal. You guys are going to get it for $31. It's a really good deal. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. P215K1. This is just a regular drill. It's not a brushless 18 volt half-inch drill driver kit. It's distributed by One World Technologies, made in China. Specifications: so we got half-inch drill P215. Powerful motor provides up to 500 inch-pounds of torque. 2-speed gearbox provides 0 to 450, 0 to 1,750 RPM. You got 24 position clutch. You got half-inch sleeve, keyless chuck, Mac tray on board, LED work light, and bit storage. Pretty much good quality bag. This I've got the Ryobi emblem there. We got some nice. Nothing else here. All right, let's open this up. First thing out of the box, just a regular charger, P118B, 140-35-0007. Does have some indentation holes. You guys can hang this in the garage, you know, obviously with 2 screws. It says blinking red. It means temperature red and green. We got a bad battery. You got blinking green. It means it's charging. Solid green is charged. So. All right, next thing we got instruction manuals for everything. Looks like we got the batteries. Just a standard battery. This is not the one that has the fuel gauge, so just keep that in mind when you're buying these cheap batteries. That's why they're so cheap, because they're probably trying to get rid of them so you can put, you know, get the new ones out. Compatible with our One Plus, Ryobi 1 Plus, lithium 18 volts, 1.5 amp hour battery, 27 watt hours. We got P189. All right. And this is the same thing as the other ones. Then we got the drill. So this is the drill itself. Let's have 2 speeds. Yeah, this is really nice. I like that. Plastic chuck with metal inside, forward and reverse. 22 settings. We got drilling mode. So we're probably going to be using it on drilling mode all the time. Rubber handle. This is all this gray part is rubber. 1 plus on the back. Obviously, this is not brushless. We got P215, half-inch BSR, 0 to 450, 0 to, maybe that's on first speed, 0 to 1750. We got the battery compartment here on the back. We got 2 different connectors there on the bottom. All right, we got a magnet here. This is something that Ryobi has. You can, you know, stick something like this and hold it there. Or you can, and this is the bit it comes with, by the way. You got Phillips and a flat, and you can just set it right here, obviously. All right, so we got that there. Let's put the battery in there and see what it sounds like. All right, so we got a nice light here. So it's not the brightest, but it works. All right, so this does weigh 3 pounds, 8.9 ounces. So 2 pounds, 10.2 ounces. Batteries themselves, they do weigh 14.7 ounces. All right, let's test this out outside, see how well this performs. Screw, this is like a 2-inch screw, and we got a bit here. So pretty good. Let's try second speed. There's plenty of power. This has plenty of power right here. All right, we got a drill bit here. This is a half-inch drill bit. All right, we're gonna make a hole right here. So 1, 2, 3, go. This is second speed. All right, we got a 7/8 spade bit. We'll do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, let's try speed 1. Let's finish this off. Alright, so no problem. Alright, so we got a bigger auger bit here. This is a 1-inch auger bit. Something for a more powerful drill. We're going to try it with this drill, see if it does it. If it doesn't do it, I won't be surprised because this is mostly for pro level drills. You know, DeWalt's, Milwaukee's, brushless drills. This is a brush tool, so built for the house, for the DIY. So let's try this out, see if it'll do it. Alright, let's go right here. Nice, it was able to do it. This little drill is powerful on speed 1. So guys, that's pretty good for a brush drill. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform. My subscribers, likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.